Hello everyone, today we'll be cooking my version of the Kelio chicken or Ayam Kelio. Alright, okay, so we'll need chicken. I'm using Kafir leaves. This is optional. If you have this, great. If you don't, it's alright. Okay, I'm using turmeric leaves which I've shredded this way. I'm using 2 small pieces of dried tamarind. Okay, and we'll need coconut milk. Okay, so what's in here? All right, so dried chillies, turmeric, lemongrass, galangal, onions, shallots, garlic, ginger. All right. Okay, we'll start now. We'll heat up some bit of oil in a wok. Okay, and then you take your blended ingredients and you gently pour it in. Okay. And you fry this mixture until it's semi-dry and crispy. Alright, we'll come back to it. Okay, when it starts to get dry. Okay, can you see? Okay, when it starts to get dry like that, you put in all the leaves, you know, the Kafir leaf, the turmeric leaves, and also the dried turmeric at once. Alright, put that in. Okay. Give it a quick stir. Okay. Alright, and now you put in your chicken. I'm using around about 6 pieces, I think, of chicken. Okay. If you want to use more, then you just add in more ingredients. Okay. Okay. Alright. And then now you add in your coconut milk. Okay. And stir it a little bit. Okay. Add in your salt to taste, and we're going to leave it to cook until it pecah minyak or breaks oil. Alright, it hasn't, so we're going to wait and we'll be back soon. Yeah, you can see the oil has come out, you know, pecah minyak. Okay, that means it's cooked. You know, I'm just want to make it a little bit more drier. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Thank you so much, and everybody have a great day. Stay safe and goodbye. Thank you.